Good morning, students. Today we have to calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. Watch the diagram. This is the center of the Earth, and suppose the body of mass m be situated on the surface of Earth, having radius r and mass of the Earth is m. There is no need of writing. You will write, let m be the mass of the body, r be its radius, o be the center of the Earth, and the body of mass m be situated on the surface of Earth. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between two bodies, F is equal to Gmm by r square. Only you have to write. Consider m with the mass of the body. M, this is mass of the Earth. Capital M, mass of the Earth. O, that is the center of the Earth. R with the radius of the Earth, and this small m, that is mass of the body. Okay. According to Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to this into this into this. In the previous class, we have discussed. Suppose this is the equation first, and let G be the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. If G is the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth. On the surface of the Earth. The force of attraction. This force must be equal to weight of the body, that is equal to m into d. The second equation, from 1 and 2, from first and second, from these two equations, we can write right side of both the equation will be same. So m into d can be written as Gmm by r square. This small m will cancel. Therefore, d is equal to Gm by r square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity of the body when it is situated on the surface of the Earth. Now we have to calculate two more two items, that is mass and density of the earth. Yes, I will write the topic is mass and density. Mass and density of the earth. Or mass. We know that, just we have seen, there was a formula G is equal to Gm by R square. So we can write Gm is equal to Gr square. Therefore, mass can be written as Gr square by capital G. This is the formula for the determination of mass of the earth. And the second item, that is density of the earth. For density, just I am writing for density. It is denoted by rho. So you will write, if rho be the main density of the earth. Okay. Since density is equal to how much? Mass by volume. So m is equal to, this is m by v. So what is the volume of the earth? Is considered to be a solid sphere. In case of that case, what will be its volume? 4 by 3 pi r2. This m by this 4 by 3 pi r cube. This one, this density we can write m is equal to how much? By cross multiplication, 4 by 3 pi r cube multiplied by density, that is rho. This one, the value of mass just we have calculated, Gr square by G. So we can write since m is equal to g r square by g, this m can be written as g r square by g, and this is equal to this one, 4 by 3 pi r cube into, hello, the main item we have to calculate, that is density of the earth. Among this term, this is the density. Here this r square and this, it will cancel each other. We can write 4 pi by cross multiplication r into g into rho. This multiplied by this is equal to 3d. So density can be written as 3d by 4 pi r into g. These are the overall two formula, one for the determination of mass and the other for the determination of density of the earth. Now we can easily calculate what should be the mass of the earth and what should be the mean density of the earth by knowing the values of this. These are the, on the surface of earth, the value of g is fixed, 9.8. The radius of the earth, 6,400 kilometers, and the value of g is already constant, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 in SI unit. So putting these values, we can easily calculate the mass of the earth as well as the mean density of the earth. First of all, we will write calculation. Calculation of mass of the earth. This is the very first item. How do you calculate? Since the value of g on the surface of earth is already well known to all of you, 9.8 meter per second square. The value of r, radius of the earth, 6400 kilometers. You can convert into meter. 6400 into 10 to the power 3 meter, and hence it can be written as 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. And third item, that is capital G. The value of G, it is already known, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So these are the values, and we will put this value in this equation. The actual value of mass can be calculated. So this one, this mass can be written as B 9.8 into R square, this whole square 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square dr square by capital G. It is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now it is your duty. When you will solve, finally we will write what will be the value of mass of the earth. This mass of the earth will be how much? This one. If you will solve, this value will be 6.018 into 10 to the power 24. You can easily check. Now, the next is your calculation of density of the earth. Second item, that is determination of density. Rho is equal to, formula is already written, 3 into the value of G 9.8 by formula is 4 pi. Pi means 22/7. R, radius of the earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. 4 pi r into G. The value of G, it is also fixed, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now, when you will solve, final answer can be written as, it would be 5, 4, you will check it, 7, 8, 5, 4, 7, 8, this multiplication into this 0.4. And what should be the unit? Density, mass by volume, kg per cubic meter. So, these two items, mass and density, have been calculated. Next is your variation in acceleration due to gravity. How the acceleration due to gravity varied with height and depth. So, first item we can write effect of, it depends on two factors, effect of height or altitude variation in altitude, how the acceleration due to gravity will vary. First of all, you remember this original figure. I have considered Earth. Okay, this is the center of the earth, that is your radius of the earth, it is capital R, and the body having mass m, that is at point A, where the value of acceleration due to gravity means on the surface of the earth, that is your capital G, and then this body will be taken above the surface of the earth. Suppose the same body be taken at point B, where the value of acceleration due to gravity will g dash. What will be the distance? Now, this body is taken above the surface of earth at a height h, so it will be from this force r plus h, we can write r plus h. It is your duty to describe the diagram. Consider earth be a solid sphere having mass capital M, O be the center of the earth, M be the mass of the body when the body is situated on the surface of earth. Just I am writing if M be the mass of the body and G be the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Where? On the surface of earth. On the surface of earth. We can say at a particular point on the surface of the earth. We have calculated just since Gm is equal to Gr square and the value of G, that was Gm by R square. Suppose this is your equation number first. First equation gives the value of acceleration due to gravity when the body is situated on the surface of earth. Now the same body is taken above the surface of earth. Suppose the body is taken from A to B at a height h above the surface of earth, and the value of acceleration due to gravity at that particular height, that is g dash. Just you will write when the body is taken, when the body is taken above the surface of the earth, above the surface of the earth at height be the acceleration due to gravity. D dash be the acceleration due to gravity. At point B. At point B means at the height h. Therefore, what will be the distance from this center to this? It will be your r, it will be your h, naturally it will be r plus h. So, g dash can be written as gm by r plus h whole square. This is the equation number 2. These are the two equations. If we will divide equation 2 by equation first, this portion, I am omitting the diagram. Dividing Q by 1. Second equation, that is G dash, and the first equation was the value of G dash, this by this, Gm by R plus H whole square, and it will be divided by this, so we can write multiplying it by r square by gm. This gm will cancel each other, and it will be your r square by r plus h whole square. This is your r square. It can be written as, when r will be taken common, 1 plus h by r. Can I write in this way? This is square. R will be taken common, 1 plus h by r, and in r whole square. And it will be r square by r square times 1 plus h by r whole square. This r square will cancel each other. Then it can be written as 1 by this, means 1 plus h by r whole to the power minus 2. This is the value of g dash by g. Now we will calculate you must remember, in algebra you will study binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, and that binomial theorem is everyone 1 plus x to the power n. This is 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 into x square by factorial 2 plus next term will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. This is the formula. We will study in algebra into x cube divided by factorial. No one is familiar about factorial. Factorial 2 means 2 into 1. Value will be 2. Factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1. So what will be the value of factorial 5? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is the general formula. Now, higher powers of x. In every case, you are getting this is your x square, x cube. This is power 3, this is factorial 3. Power 2, factorial 2. Power 1 by factorial 1, it will be 1. This one. Now you have to say this one. You must compare this formula with this one. Therefore, we can write this entire value of g dash by g dash by g dash was 1 plus h by r whole to the power minus 2, and this you must compare this one. The roll of x is due minus 2. The roll of x is h by r. So this formula will be 1 plus what will be n? Minus 2 into x means h by r plus so and so plus higher powers of h by r, higher powers of h by r here. Therefore, d dash can be written as g times 1 minus 2h by r. This will be the higher powers. Now, in this equation, we can write this is your effect of height as the body moves above the surface of earth. Naturally, the value of h will increase. When it will increase, the value of r is fixed. 1 minus this. As the value of h will increase, it will always decrease. We can write conclusion as the body moves above the surface of earth, this is the conclusion, above the surface of earth, g dash decreases. This is the conclusion. And you can do by increasing the value of h, as this will increase, this will be always less than 1, so g dash will decrease.